Okay. Hello, I'll be talking about my molecule project, molecular project, and I have Citral, which was discovered in, it really wasn't discovered at a certain point, but as what I researched and found, it gave me two different options, which was 1986 or a couple years more back. And here the chemical formula is C10H16O. The molecular weight is 152.23 grams per mole. And the physical characteristics of this molecule is the color is yellow, form is liquid, it's no proper way for it to be solid in anything. Boiling point is, to convert it into K to kelvins, is 502.15. And then the melting point is 263.15 kelvins. So about solubility in water, I had a quite different responses within different resources that I was cited in. Um, it had said in a certain website that it was zero point 0.1 to 1 at 64 degrees, practically insoluble. This is what I found in one of the resources, and in the other one is solubility within other things is 0.42 grams per, and it's just depending on if it's in water or if it's not. Now, chemical characteristics, it's not stable in air. It's not stable to alkalis, and strong acids as well. Toxicity, I would say it's pretty irritating to the skin, but compared to animals and humans, the human skin, there's some sort of evidence that this chemical is a human skin sanitizer. But compared to what was mentioned about rabbits, is does not affect rabbit eyes. So it just depends on how it's used in different points of use. It's not flammable, not inflammatory, anything like that. And what I've seen a lot is that the odor is very, very strong, lemon-like. It's like a bittersweet smell, pretty sour in there too. Claim to flame, or like a little of a way to say, is that humans is use this in various ways. Citral is like an oil, if that's how you think of it. It's used in different things such as soap, dishwashing soap, scents, perfumes, anything that gives off some sort of smell or sense to different things. Um, Citral can also be found in different plants, which is mainly where it comes from. It's also known to be safe by the Food and Drug Organization. This is also information upon biological activities such as antibacterial, antifungal, um, and stuff like that. And then next we have, why is it a hero compared to why it's a villain? It's a hero because through doing all the research, it has no wrong towards anything to humans or to mainly like both biological or non-biological. It has its it has a lot of pros, if that's how you could say it, such as Citral has the majority of being capable as a hero, such as, oh my god, I would assume as the main one is health benefits, has its pretty positive outcomes. Another reason is that it has certain qualities to pass as a drug view, but doesn't prove any usage of it being drug use or drug abuse. And to conclude everything in general, it's commonly found within natural resources, which is what I mentioned back as it being found in like plants or simple natural life. And I would say for its discovery, I'm not really sure if it's discovered by a certain person, but I did see that there was French chemists. There was three of them that attempted to see like its synthesis, and it passed all the stages. Um, it's a natural cheap resources as well, which is what I stated at the very beginning. How it says this is was discovered around 100 years ago. So I'm not sure what exact date or point of time, but it's pretty around that time as well. The class of molecule, I forgot to mention this back on slide 3. The class of molecule is acylic monoterpene aldehyde. Um, and to also include some benefits of Citral is it's anti-inflammatory, has a very strong antimicrobial properties, which helps within the health benefits that I stated as well. And to conclude of this molecule, it's just a hero. It's very soft and easy to explain. There's nothing more to say how it affects humans or anything, nothing wrong. Pretty simple. I think chemical characteristics are pretty simple as well. And just think of it as an oil, literally as an oil that comes from like the natural plants and stuff like that. That's found within what us humans use and how it can be used towards different things as well.